Hello friends, good evening everyone. My name is Ganan from English with Les Vlog. If you really want to learn this language, English language, and you really want to be fluent in English, because seeing other people speaking fluent in English, you of course you feel sad that how come I become fluent in English? What should I do? Where should I go? What to do? So guys, you don't need to do anything. Just watch my video and practice uh, every day like I do. Here I'm speaking in front of you, and I don't have any partner, I don't have anyone. And let me tell you, like what happened earlier, I couldn't speak even a single word when I was pronouncing hello guys. So even my tongue was not working even in order to say hello guys. So I was telling hello guys, like I was fumbling a lot. But since I started speaking, I made like one or two videos, and after that I deleted those videos, and then I got into habit of making videos and practicing. I was feeling bored, guys. Of course, some of you must know that when we start speaking, so we feel bored. Even we don't start, हम स्टार्ट भी नहीं करते हैं कि कैसे हम इंग्लिश बोल, चलो इंग्लिश में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। हमने एक वीडियो देखा, उसमें मोटिवेट हो गए कि हाँ, जब तक इंग्लिश नहीं बोलोगे आपको बोलना नहीं आएगा। हाँ, चलो ठीक है, आज से मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँगा। लेकिन थोड़ी देर बाद आपका माइंड पूरी तरह से चेंज हो जाता है। आप प्रैक्टिस करते ही नहीं हो और बाद में फिर बोलते हो कि मैं कैसे इंग्लिश बोलूँ। गाइस, कुछ भी नहीं करना है, अपने आप को पहले कंफर्टेबल करो कि यस, मुझे सिचुएशन आती हैं। अब पहले तो मैं कल के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करूँगा, फिर मैं आज के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करूँगा, फिर मैं फ्यूचर के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करूँगा। जैसे कि सपोज करो कि मैं कुछ इंग्लिश नहीं जानता हूँ, मैं सिर्फ कुछ सेंटेंसेस जानता हूँ, जैसे कि प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर, और कुछ वर्ड जानता हूँ। और मुझे करना है प्रैक्टिस, मैं कैसे हैबिट में लाऊँ स्पीकिंग। सो ठीक है, अब मैं अकेला हूँ, मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँगा। जैसे कि सो गाइस, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट हैपन टू मी यस्टरडे। सो लेट मी स्पीक। सो अगर आप छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बोलोगे आराम से, तो ऑफकोर्स दिस इज़ कॉल्ड प्रैक्टिस। यू डोंट नीड टू डू all like so many things at the same time. No, first thing first, make habit uh, how to speak like present, past, future. When you are comfortable with present, past, future, then you can go for advanced thing, and I'm going to tell you what you have to do for advanced thing as well. So today I'm going to tell you how to practice being alone. So let's start, guys. Okay, so in order to practice, I'm going to tell you what happened to me yesterday. So okay, yesterday it was Friday. So I got up early in the morning, I got fresh, then I took one 8 8 a.m. class, and after that I finished that class around 9 a.m. Then I was given breakfast, I took breakfast, and after that I took a rest. Then I attended one more class, that was 10 a.m. class. And after finishing that my 10 a.m. class, I thought I should go to my friend's home. Then I went to my friend's home, but door was locked, so my friend was not at home. So I thought, okay, let's go back. Then I came back to my home. Then I thought I should edit some videos. Then I edited I edited one video. Then I thought, okay, I should watch some videos on YouTube. Then I started watching some videos, and I kept on watching some videos for some time. And after that, I thought I should upload one video. Then I uploaded one video on my YouTube channel, and around 2 p.m. I had one more class. Then I took that class, and then my mom came to me. She gave me 500 rupees, and she asked me go to market. Then I went to market and I bought some vegetables and pulses and spices. Then I came back to my home. I handed over all the grocery item to my mom. My mom went into the kitchen, and of course it was 6 p.m. So I thought now I should go to my friend's home. So I went to my friend's home again, and this time I found my friend was at his home. So I went to him and I started talking to him, and I kept on talking to him for some time. Then I came back home. When I came back to my home, my mom gave me dinner. I took dinner. Then I went to bed, and I used my mobile for some time, and finally I started feeling sleepy. So I put my mobile aside, and I closed my eyes and I slept. Guys, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं बोला, जो मुझे सेंटेंस आते हैं मैंने उन्हीं को यूज किया, छोटे छोटे सिंपल सिंपल। अब मैं चाहूँ तो इस पे क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकता हूँ। ओके ज्ञानेंद्र, एट व्हाट टाइम डिड यू वेक अप यस्टरडे आई गॉट अप एट 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, then what did you do? Then I took one 8 a.m. class. Oh, that's great. After that I took breakfast. Who gave you breakfast? My mom gave me breakfast. Oh, that's great. Then of course again I took one 10 a.m. class. After taking 10 a.m. class, what did you do? Where did you go? Of course, after taking my 10 a.m. class, I went to my friend's home. So why did you go to your friend's home? I went to my friend's home because I was feeling bored. So did you get your friend at his home? No, he was not at home. Then what did you do? Then I came back to my home. Then I used my mobile for some time. Okay, so what did you watch on mobile? That time I watched one horror movie. Okay, so can may I know the name of that horror movie which you were watching? Yes, the name of that movie was Spider-Man. Oh, do you like watching horror movie? Yes, I love watching horror movies. Oh, that's great. At what time did you take lunch yesterday? I took lunch around 12:30. Okay, so what did you eat for lunch? I took potatoes vegetable. Nowadays, you know very well, potato is quite popular. Yes, you are right. So where did you go after taking your lunch? Of course, after taking lunch, I was taking rest. Then my mom came and she asked me to go to market. Oh, so did you go to market? Yes, I went to market. How did you go to market? Actually, market is not quite so far, so I went to market on foot. Oh, that's great. So how far is the market? Market is only 1 kilometer far. Okay, so did you go alone or with your friend? I went there alone. Why did you go alone? I went there alone because that time my friend was not with me. Okay, so what all did you buy from the market? Yeah, I bought lots of things, bunch of things, like vegetables, pulses, spices. Oh, that's good. So did you eat anything in the market? No, I didn't eat because I don't like fast food. Oh, that's great habit. Okay, so at what time did you come back to your home? Well, I came back to my home around 6 p.m. Then what did you do? Then I handed over all the vegetable to my mom. Then I came, yes, I went to my friend's home. Again, you went to your friend's home. Yes, I went to my friend's home. So did you get your friend this time? Yes, I got my friend this time. So what was your friend doing? Well, he was not doing anything. He was just sitting and using his mobile. So what did you talk about to your friend? Well, I talked about just like that. Okay, so how long did you stay there? I stayed there for half an hour. Then what did you do? Then I came back to my home and I took dinner, went to bed and slept. So guys, how easy? बहुत इजी है। अगर आपको डेफिनेटली अगर आपको बोर लगता है, बोरिंग लगता है प्रैक्टिस करने में अकेले, सो गाइस यू कैन कमेंट मी एंड आई विल हेल्प यू हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस इन इंग्लिश. आई रन so many classes, and if you want you can add those classes and you can find my teaching style, and of course you will feel that yes, speaking English is a piece of cake. So guys, so I hope you are going to comment me that yes, I need your like help. So guys, thank you so much. If you have liked this video, please subscribe. Bye.